Hi, and welcome to XPOWER Manufacture, your trusted source for professional DIY drying solutions. And thank you for purchasing our Extreme Dry Drying Solution, your solution for effective and efficient drying. In this video, I want to recommend a valuable addition to your XPOWER drying solution, the moisture meter. It will allow you to accurately measure moisture content and monitor the drying process. I'm holding the MM9 by General Tool, which will help determine the extent of damage, locate the source of the moisture, and monitor the process to prevent potential mold growth and odors. A moisture meter will also help you optimize the placement and performance of your XPOWER equipment, such as the air movers and dehumidifiers. By using a moisture meter, you can ensure that you are drying your space effectively and efficiently, and you'll avoid over-drying or under-drying your materials. The MM9 can be operated in either of two modes. Pinless, which is non-invasive. In this mode, you'll scan large areas to detect moisture and locate those wet areas. And second, the pin type, to penetrate the surface and pinpoint the location and severity of saturation. The MM9 is perfect for detecting moisture on or below the surface of carpets and subflooring. It helps to determine the presence of moisture in wood and furniture inside your facility. Get ready to experience unmatched drying results with XPOWER's Extreme Dry System, and be sure to add a moisture meter to your cart. These two amazing products will help you attain professional drying results in your facility. Thank you for watching. See you next time.